friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. For today's video, I will be doing a review for this product that this was sent to me from this company. They reached out to me to do a review. So I'm going to open this package right here. I'm going to show you guys what's inside. This company, they sent me this product and it's from HighOh. They sent me a boob tape. Yes, a boob tape. I have a boob tape before, but it's from a different brand. So let's open this one. They reach out to me, so I'll be doing a collaboration with them. You know, if you want to wear like a tank tops or like dress that like a strapless that you don't need to wear bra, this one can give you a, you know, a lift to your boobs if you don't feel like wearing bra. Yeah, this would be an alternative way to support your sisters. You know what I mean. This is the boob tape. They also send this paper right here, there, another paper there. If you're interested, you can find this at Amazon.com, and they also have a website. And I do have a discount code for you to use at checkout, and I will leave everything, the link or you know the code in the description box below, so you better check that out. And the next one is this. They also send this nipple, you know, cover or nipple patch or something like that. There's two of them, so there's two in each, you know, in each plastic. So yeah. There's two of that. Anyway, here's the paper right here. It says watch the video before using the product. Yeah, you gotta watch this video, but I already, you know, tried the boob tape before, so I know what it is. Anyway, this one, it looks like this is like 4 inches. I'm going to try this one and see how it's, you know, the difference before and after of my boobs. This, you know how this one works. You just have to peel the tape and then just stick it to your right here, there, to your boobs. Let's cut this tape. Here's the line right here that you can just peel the tape. There you go. Okay. There's lines right there. I don't know if you can see that. There's a lot of lines. Right now I'm wearing bra. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm just gonna stand up so you will see. You know, my bra, I don't like wearing bras that has wire or underwire bra. I like wireless, so it feels more like comfortable to me. But you know, we're not talking about bras right now. You know, I'm not really gonna show you my, you know, my breasts because it's not appropriate. And I'm going to take that out. I'm not wearing bra. See the difference? And you know, my cleavage right here, it's a little bit, you know, it's not showing, but we'll try to lift it up using the boob tape. It depends on how you do it, but to me, because we have different styles on how to do this, I'm just gonna like cut it here. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this will be the 5th. So anyway, since this one is kind of wide, I could like tape it, like use it like that, or I could just cut it in half, and depending on how you know you want it. I'm going to cut this in half because I don't want it too wide either, because you know, too wide is just too much. I will be right back. Right now, this is the before. I'm not wearing bra and without the boob tape. So I will be right back. I cut the tape in half. I cut it in half so I can also use the other half which way that I'm going to put the other half. It looks like that. Because if I put the whole thing, then it's gonna be like, it looks different. That's why I cut it in half so I can just put it in a different place. I cut probably half of this, like maybe like that piece on this side. I tape this side over here too. I can see the difference. The other side is down here and the other side is up here. If I put another tape here, it will be kind of even. This is what it looks like. When you're done using it, it's easy to peel, and then you just have to take it slow, that you don't have to just like peel hard. Just take it just slowly. It will come off easily, but then if you really want to, for me, I rather use like an oil and just kind of rub it over here. But I think this one would be easier to peel off, and it's not like it hurts. To me, it doesn't hurt, but you just have to peel it slowly. So I'm wearing black. It don't show very good because I don't want to show my you know what. So anyway, that's what it looks like. And here's without the bra, and here's this one right here, that part, and this one is the other part, my other boobies. You know, if you don't really want to wear a bra and you just want to wear, if you just want to use the boob tape or this nipple cover, that would be easy way to use, or other alternative way to use. I'm going to show you guys this nipple patch. It's right here. That's what it looks like. It's like a paper or something, and you just have to peel this thing right here, the tape, and then put it there. So yeah, you can use this for the nipple cover, and also use this so you can, you know, lift your breast to give more perkier boobs. That's it, guys, for today. And if you like this video, just leave a comment down below, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.